हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं सेल्फ मोहम्मद शकील। दोस्तों, इसके पहले के वीडियो में हम लोगों ने देखा था फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज एंड प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल। नाउ फ्रेंड, इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज एंड रिएक्शन ऑफ अल्कोहल। नाउ फ्रेंड, इन केस ऑफ द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, लेट्स सी वन बाय वन। केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी number one is very important. With the help of litmus paper, generally friend, when we take the solution of alcohol and give the strip either red or blue strip of litmus paper into the solution of alcohol, then there is no change in the color of litmus paper occur. This means that alcohol are neither acidic nor basic, but it is neutral. Second and very important property related to the alcohol is that generally friend, it is not acidic, but it cannot be react either with sodium hydroxide or sodium bicarbonate. But friend, when alcohol, that is ROH, is reacted with strong alkali, either Na or K, either sodium or potassium, then what happened friend? Here removal of hydrogen occur and we get here RONA. But we know that nascent hydrogen never form. It is formed in the molecular state. Hydrogen gas is formed and hydrogen gas is evolved. And only for the purpose of balancing twice. Therefore, we take here twice Na, twice See here, balance reaction. Now friend, in this reaction hydrogen gas is evolved. Thus this reaction is very important because it shows that there is a presence of alcohol in the given compound. Because we know that friend, theory guides, practical decides. Let's see third and very important, that is distinguishing property. That is third one is the distinguishing property with the help of Lucas reagent. Actually, what happened friend in this reaction? The alcohol, when reacted with the Lucas reagent is nothing but the solution of means concentrate HCl solution with zinc chloride. This is Lucas reagent. What happened friend? Here OH group is converted into the halide group and we get here RCl. That is alcohol is converted into the alkyl halide. Now friend, as this reaction is utilized to distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Means in case of the primary alcohol, it is converted into the turbid on heating. Because alcohol are clear while this solution is the turbid one. Then what happened friend? Alcohol on heating, primary alcohol on heating, it is turbid. Now friend, in case of the secondary alcohol is also turbid but slowly. In case of the tertiary alcohol, it is instantly turbid. Due to this reason, this is utilized to distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Now friend, after the completion of chemical properties, let's see reactions of alcohol. Thus in first reaction, that is the butane 2-ol is reacted with the concentrate sulfuric acid. Generally friend, in case of these butane 2-ol, there is a presence of 2 beta hydrogen atom. That is OH attached to this carbon atom is called as the alpha carbon atom and hydrogen atom attached to the alpha carbon atom is called as the alpha hydrogen atom. While friend, next to alpha, there is a presence of beta carbon. On the left hand side also there is a presence of beta carbon atom, and the hydrogen atom which is attached to the beta carbon atom are referred as beta हाइड्रोजन एटम। यानी इस कार्बन के इधर भी बीटा हाइड्रोजन है और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में भी बीटा हाइड्रोजन एटम है। तो thus friend, in case of the reaction your removal of water molecule occur means dehydration is occur। dehydration means removal of water molecule। तो OH यहाँ से H लिख लेंगे and the another side OH and one hydrogen atom is removed from these and hence we get these two products। when the hydrogen atom is removed from these beta carbon atom then we get butene। but when the hydrogen atom is removed from these beta carbon atom then our product is butene। but friend, which one is major and which one is main? Then in such condition SAZEF, Mr. SAZEF, SAYTZEF, SAZEF play an important role। Use SAZEF rule। Now friend, according to the SAZEF rule, in the dehydration reaction the preferred product is that alkene which has the greater number of alkyl group attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom। In short, more substituted double bond is formed, and according to these SAZEF, the butene is the major product। Next, in a very important reaction, that is the oxidation reaction। Now friend, oxidation की कुछ हम लोग रिएक्शन पहले डेफिनेशन देखेंगे। नंबर वन, ऑक्सीडेशन मीन्स इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज और इन क्लासिकल कंसेप्ट, ऑक्सीडेशन मीन्स एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, ऑक्सीडेशन मीन्स एडिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट, ऑक्सीडेशन मीन्स रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीडेशन मीन्स रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट। दीज आर फोर क्लासिकल कंसेप्ट। इसके अलावा भी तुम 2 से 3 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंसेप्ट के अलग है, बट आवर सिलेबस इज मेनली रिलेटेड टू these। Thus actually what happened friend, when we minutely observe then it is seen that, याद कीजिए हम लोगों ने इसके पहले वीडियो अल्डिहाइड और कीटोन की डेफिनेशन में हमने आपसे कहा था कि अल्डिहाइड आर द फर्स्ट ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइमरी अल्कोहल। See here, primary alcohol is oxidized in the presence of pyridinium chlorochromate, PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate। Generally it is oxidized into the aldehyde। and in case of the definition of ketone are the first oxidation product of secondary alcohol। thus friend, in case of secondary alcohol is oxidized in the presence of CrO3 and we get here ketone। इस रिएक्शन की भी आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे साइमल्टेनियसली। एक से और हम लोग दो दूसरे रिएक्शन देख सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल हीटिंग विथ कॉपर वेपर। जनरली फ्रेंड, हीटिंग विथ कॉपर वेपर गिव्स डिफरेंट अल्कोहल when it is passes over the hot copper। let's see, इसी रिएक्शन को हम लोग इरेज करके आगे लिखते हैं। आप लोग इसकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। see here, generally friend same reaction is occur, but friend here we get copper, hot copper at 573 Kelvin, and here also oxidation occur। here also we take copper in the presence of 573 Kelvin। here also oxidation occur, means primary alcohol is converted into aldehyde in the presence of hot copper at 573 Kelvin। in both these reaction oxidation is occur। now friend, at last let's see the uses of alcohol। generally friend, nowadays we use sanitizer for the purpose of washing our hands। this is nothing but the one type of alcohol। generally friend, methyl alcohol is utilized as a solvent in paint, in varnish, as well as in different perfumes. Generally, friend, the methyl alcohol is denature the ethyl alcohol, that is to make the ethyl alcohol unfit for drinking purpose. Generally, friend, ethyl alcohol it is utilized as an antifreeze agent in automobile industries. Generally, friend, alcohol is also utilized as an antiseptic. Similarly, friend, the mixture of 10 to 20% of alcohol is utilized for the preparation of food. My friend, as a solvent, it is utilized in dyes, perfume, as well as in drugs. तो नाउ फ्रेंड, आई होप कि आज का ये वीडियो जिसमें हम लोगों ने प्रॉपर्टीज साइमल्टेनियसली रिएक्शंस देखा है, ये आप लोगों के समझ में आया होगा। इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्दी से हम एक नया वीडियो के साथ आएंगे। तब तक टेक केयर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।